Hi everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome to my channel. I am so excited because finally I've officially launched as of yesterday. I don't know when this video is going out, but finally launched the Bling It kits on the website and I'm so excited. So as you can see, there is 6 different kits available as of right now. Each kit is holding 2 per color. I really wanted to just get on here and show it to you guys through here. I kind of feel like the photos that are online don't give you the full effects of it, but like I said, I just wanted to show it here as well just to give you guys a better understanding of the colors. So of course we're gonna start off with the gold, champagne, and emeralds set, and it comes in this cute little slip box. Oh my god, I was so excited to finally be putting these out. I know you guys have been waiting so long for this. So as you can see, we have luxury rhinestones. It has my website where you can buy it. Bling It box, flat back rhinestones. All of these are the flat back rhinestones. When you turn it around, it has my logo, high quality flat back rhinestones, and then once again the LGNpro.com website. And of course we needed to add a little bit of flowers on it because yeah, you already know. As you can see, so this is the 24 box Bling It box. It has this little latch. The latch is pretty sturdy as well. And I've already used these a couple times. I know I used these twice and this one time. This one is actually on my nails right now. So that's what these look like. I'm gonna try to get a couple of close-up shots as well of these stones. But once again, I really wanted to make sure you guys had 2 colors per box. I wanted to get rid of that middle bar. If you guys know some other companies, when they do sell their rhinestone kits, they leave this spot empty for the tool itself to sit in. I wanted to get rid of that. If you guys wanted to choose to purchase that, we do have those online. But I really wanted to have these extra slots open to add more crystals. So as you can see, the 2 top rows are the flat back fancy stones, and then the coordinating colors to them on the 2 bottom rows are the little round crystals. And this is what they look. They're super shiny. All of these crystals have the gold backing to them. If you guys know some other companies, they like to have silver backings. I don't like that. I wanted all of the crystals to have gold. I just feel like just ties it in better as well and just looks better. So we have the green, which I am loving, the emerald green. And then on this side is the champagne. The next box is the red and blue, which is the Siam and the Sapphire collection. And I really wanted to have both of these colors in together. Super pretty. Look at, oh my god. So nice. Like I said, I really wanted to get a video out showing you each one so you guys can really see it and just see the shine coming off of it. So pretty. Once again, all of these have the gold backings to it instead of silver. Like I said, I made sure I really wanted them to have the gold backings. Once again, the 2 top rows are the fancy, the 2 bottom rows are the round flatbacks. And this is what they look like up close. Super pretty. I love, love, love. A couple of you guys already purchased, which I am so thankful for and excited that you guys did want to purchase these and already getting them. A lot of these are already shipping out to you as we speak. Really, the fact that Christmas is coming up, you can definitely start using some of these crystals now for all of your holiday sets. Super, super pretty. And of course, you guys know I had to put my little logo in the middle, gold print. And then this next one is so, so pretty. I am loving this one. This box is light rose and Tanzanite. Oh my god, how pretty is that? You see, as you can see, these are looking darker on screen. So like I said on the picture as well, it almost looks black. I don't know, I gotta adjust those pictures. But as you can see, we have the light pink on this side and then the light purple on the right side. When you get these boxes as well, they are gonna come in the little packs and they are like rolled, like the pink is on top and the purple is on bottom, or vice versa. I don't know how it is, I don't remember, but you can definitely switch it up and play with it and lay it out how you want to. I chose to do one left side the pink and the right side the other color, but you can definitely go ahead and rearrange it how you want. If you want all of the purples on the top, you know, the fancy stones of purple, round stones of purple, and then the fancy stones of pink, round stones of pink, you can definitely switch it up and lay it out how you want. But this is what the light rose looks like. This is a gorgeous color. It almost reminds me of like a vintage, what do you call that, vintage rose. Super pretty. Once again, the gold backs, just like, it just brings it out more, I think. And then we have that light purple. So pretty. Super shiny, high quality stones. You guys are going to love it. Next up we have is the yellow and orange, which is called Citrine, and I can never say this right, hyacinth. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's the orange side. So this is very summery, super summery. I was so excited for this box because you don't really see these colors out. So once again, all flat backs, so gold backing. This one I actually did previously in another video. I'm gonna show that photo. But we have the citrine, which is this really pretty yellow, and then right next to it we have the orange. So pretty. Just the light coming off of it makes them so bright, so gorgeous. You could definitely use this once again during the summer, but especially in fall as well with these colors. So I really wanted to get this color out to you guys, and I think it's just gorgeous. So pretty. I could stare at these all day. All right, next up we have is the Crystal Clear and the Crystal AB. Oh my god, you guys went crazy for this box. I am loving it. So many of you guys already purchased this one, and I honestly did not think this was gonna go so quick as it's been going, but oh my god, it just looks so good on camera right now. So as you can see, once again, we have the Crystal Clear and then the Crystal AB on the right side, and of course you guys know I had to pair these together. Super pretty. I have not used these yet. I think I used this side a couple, like maybe once or twice, but oh my god, it is so pretty. I am so happy to finally be showing these to you guys and that they're officially on the website. Super. This is like an all year around box. This just looks like a freaking rainbow right there. Like, how pretty is that? So pretty. Of course, once again, we got the gold backing. I'm gonna say this in every single box. All of them have the gold backing. So now you guys know why I kind of waited so long to put these out. I wanted to make sure they were perfect for you guys. All right, now the last one, and I was waiting for this because y'all, this I think is probably my favorite out of all of them. This is the Fuchsia and Blue Flame box. And you're probably thinking, what is a blue flame? Well, Fuchsia is more of a pink. It's kind of looking a little purple on camera, but it's definitely more of a pink, bright pink color. And this side is the Blue Flame, which I don't know if I could get it to shift, but it's a color shifting. You can kind of see it there. It transitions into like a purple. So I'm gonna get a better image of it to show you guys, but this is my all-time favorite box. I am so loving this one. I really wanted this one out for you guys as well. This one is a little more, it's $5 more because of these stones in particular was pretty pricey. And that sparkle, once again, it is just amazing. Once again, these crystals are super high quality. You guys are going to love it and you're not going to regret it. I guarantee it. Okay, so on top of that, of course, I needed to come out with the Bling It Rhinestone Gel. This is a no wipe gel, so once you apply the crystals, if you have some on the outer side, you don't need to clean it up and wipe it or top coat. You can leave it as is. It dries, it cures, non-sticky, non-tacky. You do not need to worry about anything being sticky on you, but this is what it looks like inside. It's clear, comes in this cute little gold jar. Of course, I had to make it gold, and I really wanted it to be gold. So this is 15 ml. It cures for 60 seconds and is super strong. You guys are going to love it. Here we have the Bling It Rhinestone tool. Comes in this cute little case. You can easily save this and store it when you finish using your tool to adhere your crystals. It's lightweight, it's not too heavy, but it's not too light either. This side has the pointy part where this is the wax pencil part. This as well spins. I am in the process of trying to see if I can get the replacement pieces. So when they are like running low and you just want to replace it, you know, we'll have these sold separate as well. You can just screw it on, and then it's easy to pick up as well. But yeah, so you could easily just pick it up, and it just picks up super easy, not hard at all. You don't need a lot of pressure to pick it up either, and it holds on really well to the wax part. Once you're finished using it, I like to slide it back in like so, and just place it back inside. I do have a cat, and yeah, this just helps me protect it, making sure there's no cat hair on it or nothing like that. But y'all, I'm just so glad to finally have launched this already to you guys. And of course, with these, cannot forget last thing, which is the Cleanse Nail Cleanser. You can definitely use this on your nails to remove any dirt, residual oils. After curing, when you have that sticky layer, you can definitely go in and cleanse the surface of your nails to remove that sticky layer. All the information and the ingredients for all of these products are listed on the backs of them as well as the website, so you guys can go check it out. Everything is HEMA free. Before this smells amazing. You guys are gonna love the smell of this. It's almost like a bubblegum candy smell. It doesn't dry out your skin as well, but it does cleanse your nails, removes any kind of dirt. It does remove that sticky layer, and you guys are going to freaking love it, and you're not gonna regret it, I guarantee. And it is an 8-ounce jar. So yeah, once again, this is on the website. It does have that locking mechanism. I did show you guys this before. You have to twist it to open it, then you're to pump your solution out. You close it. If you want to lock it, you just twist the top and you hear that lock. But yeah, once again, this is it. This is everything that I really wanted to show you guys. It is live right now on the website for you guys to purchase. Like I stated, you guys already been ordering, and I am so thankful and grateful for you guys. I just love the fact like all of your support means the world to me. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of these colors. If there's other colors that you want to see, y'all already know, let me know in the description. I know somebody already mentioned different kind of tips, not flat back, what do you call those, non-C curve tips. If you're interested in those, of course, you guys already know we are still trying to work through getting hard gel colors. And what I mean by that is like pinks, blues, reds, browns, those pigments, more pigmented colors. So we're working on that. So that's gonna take a little time, but yeah, you guys already know that's been staying with me for a while. Once I said something, I kind of stick to it, and that is the goal. Just trying to grow this brand, and yeah, and I hope you guys stay along, follow me on this journey. And once again, thank you all for your support. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, that is it for this video. Go ahead and shop on LGNPro.com. Oh, one thing I did want to say, if you are international and you want to order, please go ahead, leave a message on the website and fill out the form at the bottom of the page on the website, and we'll be more than glad to help you out one-on-one like that. But yeah, like I said, this is it. This is officially it. All right. So as always, thank you everyone for taking some time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.